this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. This is after the move around, we put pieces of wood, same old wardrobe sides, around my necking machine because I do prefer a flat bed. But I've got this gap in the middle and it doesn't work out. But I would have stayed with it for a while. But we're having some new furniture for the living room, including a different computer desk. So I'm going to attempt, with Lizzie's help, to make the computer desk into a sewing table. So the first thing I did was make a paper template of this, where the sewing machine will go. We then added some 2x4s across one pedestal to the other that would take the weight of the sewing machine and also raise it up to the height of the table. So it's now a flat surface. It's a bit rough round the edges, but it's a flat extension table for me and I do like that. And so this has been brilliant and extremely cheap because we were replacing this computer desk anyway. So to change it into a good sewing machine desk for me was extremely cheap. That cheap it cost zero. So you'll be seeing this layout from time to time because yes, I've had another move around and hopefully this time it's going to be about 4 or 5 years until I move around again. Yes, the new move around, I've moved what did have my sewing machine on and it's now here with my computer and my embroidery machine on, and it's full of fabric. I sorted it all out. My ironing station, and I'm going through my patterns. My design wall is still the same as my fabric dresser is the same, and my cutting desk is the same. It's in front of this new one, so I might be able to get some good camera angles. We'll see. And there is the table with the sewing machine installed and its cover on.